Hey, what's up? Lekenya Domia, Yakata ni mo ponko mienya. You don't know Stoneboy, Everlove TV. Yalem kuranwe. All right. Beep.
Yeah. Everlove TV once again. We are at Anseko. Today, the finals of finals between Kitasco and then Anseko. These two gentlemen being here with me, they've been here so many times. They are sportsmen. They've been here so many times. They know everything about these school activities. I want to ask them, what exactly have they seen which is different from previous ones and the finals of finals? What have you seen about it? So let's come to Frederick. Today's match, like Papa game Yokwa, and Yanika Mashama, Ababa, Yapana, the strategy. Supporters, I'm a Shamatua, Shafi, Evadura. Who can a popular battle? Any of you can a popular battle. Watching the camera.
Thank you. You know, for some time now, we've not had the sports. Okay. Simple because of COVID. The excitement now no sports are where I'm a get a bunaba man no get anymore. I'm a get a bunaba. I'm vago. I don't much have vago, but with the resilience and the passion for the game, headmaster so Ojagba and Egbaba final like it was between Anseko and Kitasco, and Anseko play Kitasco rivalry Mali who and Uganyaba Anseko Park Joga Bola Apum Laro Anseko hosta. You realize that there was so much passion for the game. Everybody was talking about it, and finally Kitasco won the day.
Yes, let's come to you, Dennis. As a sportsman, you've been in this for a long time. Today's match, what's the difference?
Well, thank you, Everlove TV. I would say Sun City Radio, Boom TV has been here from day one. We love sports. We are noted for sports, so we can't be left out. And we've been here from day one. Like Fred rightly said, initially we thought it wouldn't happen because other regions started theirs when the clearance was given. And we were not hearing anything from our regional director towards this. And I think it was 2 weeks notice that was given, and they have to come together to put out this thing. And that is why about 3 schools were not able to make it because they said there were lack of funds. But at the end of the day, I would like to thank the organizers of the zone, those that are in position, the PE masters, to assemble your students within 2 weeks and perform at this level is something that we need to applaud. And also, initially, we hosted them in our studios, asking them how they're going to go about it because they have to pack the games. And we even learned that they won. They have to play about 30 matches just for handball, just in a space of less than 12 hours. And just imagine, how would that happen? When will you rest for your next game? How will you recover? But they were able to do it and did it well. And I'm very, very grateful. I love Anseko headmaster. He's been